Bullish smooth love elixir cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 3 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept SLP could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish smooth love elixir market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Smooth love elixir presentation. With regards to play to procure games, Axie limitlessness gets everyone's attention. As the principal NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to procure on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, however it required off barely a year ago alongside the NFT blast. Axie Endlessness was the previous summer's star convention, topping at close to a portion of 1 million everyday dynamic clients. Axie Endlessness is an NFT-supported play-to-procure blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its environment, Smooth Love Mixtures and Axie Boundlessness Shards. Essentially, SLPs are acquired by playing the game. In the interim, Axe is an administration token that empowers holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities and depository support spending. Before we assess in the event that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll meticulously describe the job and utility of SLP in Axie Endlessness environment. Furthermore, we will cover the elements influencing the cost of SLP and what's to come plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie Endlessness? Axie Endlessness advocate the play-to-procure interactivity model wherein players are compensated by basically investing energy playing the game. Moreover, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, procure from it, or use it for ongoing interaction. This isolates Axie Endlessness from the vast majority of the present customary close-circled games, where computerized things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the obstruction to passage was too high in light of the fact that the expense for purchasing the 3 axies expected to play the game was cosmic. In the meantime, there are financial backers and business visionaries who can undoubtedly dish out the assets expected to purchase axies, however don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole moved the grant and organization programs. Through an Axie grant, the director or society purchases or gives the 3 axies that the player will use to play the game and acquire SLP. They expect all the gamble to loan 3 axies to the new player. In return, they procure a portion of their player's benefit. The new clients play to procure and Axie Boundlessness permit their backers to receive a portion of the benefit. About Smooth Love Mixture. Axie Vastness in-game cash. Essentially, SLP is the in-game money at the focal point of Axie Endlessness environment. Each time a player wins a duel, they are compensated in $SLP. It has no cap and is utilized to raise new axies. The game consumes SLP each time players breed axies. Players breed to create posterity with extraordinary capacities that make them all the more impressive. They can likewise hold back nothing that are alluring to different authorities. In Axie Endlessness, the pay normally comes as Smooth Love Mixture. Players need to finish and enter journeys, field mode and experience mode to procure SLPs. The everyday journey rewards used to be 50 SLP, however during the send-off of the 20th Serious season, Sky Mavis declared a significant monetary change to procuring SLP. Basically, players will never again acquire SLP in day-to-day journeys and experience mode, yet they can procure more through serious PvP. SLP profit will currently be actually divided, with extra rewards just accessible in the higher cutthroat level. Sky Mavis additionally decreased the everyday furthest reaches of SLP procured in PvE from 100 to 50. Preceding this change, players procured a sum of 75 SLP each day by playing experience mode and by clearing the everyday missions. Nonetheless, SLP compensations in PvP presently increment at a quicker rate as you climb the competitor list. Factors influencing the cost of SLP. Axie Boundlessness endured a top dog when Sky Mavis declared that their Ronin extension had been hacked and about $625 worth of Ethereum and USDC had been taken. The sum was subsequently adjusted as $541 at the hour of the break, and is the second biggest crypto hack ever. For the unenlightened, the Ronin scaffold is a piece of the Ronin blockchain network, so it exists close by administrations like the Katana Decentralized Trade, the Axie Limitlessness Commercial Center, and the Axe Marking Pool. Its essential capability is to permit the exchange of resources from the Ronin world to the Ethereum world. Preferably, without it, you wouldn't have the option to move your SLP profit from the universe of Ronin to the universe of Ethereum. So it's great that before the Ronin scaffold, we were at that point involving unified trades like Binance as a semi-extension to the rest of the world. When you got your SLP income moved over to Binance, you could do a wide range of things with it, including changing over them into pesos. It was a particularly well-known technique, as a matter of fact, that most of Axie players actually utilize that methodology right up to the present day. So Sky Mavis is insignificant, putting out fires mode and working twofold chance to recapture and remake trust in their convention. This ongoing problem unquestionably didn't assist the cost with actioning of SLP. Smooth Love Mixture current cost. Smooth Love Mixture is as of now worth $0. SLP has moved 4.27% as of now with an exchanging volume of $49,042,255. Smooth Love Mixture is at present positioned 155 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $150,233,757 USD. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Smooth Love Mixture market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2022. Smooth Love Mixture, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The SLP cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Smooth Love Mixture SLP cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the SLP's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 1 cent and SLP might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2024. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2025. Assuming Smooth Love Mixture effectively helps market feeling among digital money aficionados, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2025. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2026, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SLP has a most extreme value worth of 1 cent. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 2 cents. On the off chance that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 20